Hello there. So this is an interesting one. I think now the problem here is I've got two boxes of stuff, right? One of my boxes of stuff is, well, they're both mystery boxes, but one of the boxes of stuff is stationery type stuff, and one of the boxes of stuff is craft type stuff. But I'm not 100% sure which is which, because even though there's a label on one of them that says craft mystery box, I thought the craft mystery box wasn't a mystery box. I thought it was just a box of stuff. So this could be an interesting one. I think this one is the stationery one, but I'm not 100% sure. So perhaps we can find out together. So I shall dig into this one and we can see what we've got. Right, okay, so you got that rippy boy. I've got it. Can you actually see that okay? Is that in focus? Let me just give a little bit of a tweakage. Looks okay, but you know, I never know. Is that a bit better? A bit clearer? Do you feel better? Does that look good? Are we cool? We're slightly squiffy? Yeah. Squiffy? Still squiffy. Okay. Anyway, open the box, stop farting around. Oh, that was very satisfying. Right. Oh, here comes the lid. Here comes the lid. All in a caucus. Here comes the lid. Some pink tissue. Yes, some tissue. I think this may be the stationery one, so bear with me. Light ASMR there. Rumble, rumble, rumble. Scrumple, grumble. What do we have here? Hey, I've got one of these already. Well, this one's slightly digiprint, but then it's a leftover box, so it's basically them getting rid of their stuff and me trying to get it cheap on the cheap. Cheap. Ooh. Hey, I also got one of these as well. Another wooden ruler. So what I might do is I might set up a little giveaway at some stage. So I'm building up a little stash of things I have doubles of. So if you'd be interested in a giveaway, just let me know in the comments underneath. That'd be really cool. Also, do not forget to like and subscribe. The more you like it, the more you subscribe, the more stuff happens. Other people see stuff. It's cool. Anyway, back to the box. Back to the box. So I'm going to make a little bag. So I'm going to fill this bag with all the stuff I've got doubles of, which I may not have that much this time, but I'm going to have it as a bag of stuff, so it will eventually get bigger and bigger and bigger. Let me know what you think about the idea of a giveaway. So, ooh, this is a pen. This is, oh dear, because that's the brand. Little fine liner, orange fine liner. Tri pen. Ooh. Little brushy boy. Ooh, is he squishy? Is he squishy? Squishy boy. Look, squish. That's pretty cool. Oh, there's a couple of more of those. Oh, got a blue one and a pink one. So that's nice. Orange, blue, pink. Make something layering with that. Very bright orange. And this one says nope. Nope. To be fair, that's a very appropriate thing for it to happen on an eraser. We got some washi tape. Oh look, it's got a little. Can you see that? Can you see it? Oh, see, it's got a little. I don't know what they are, but they're fried eggs. Fried eggs in rainbows. So Gemma Corel. Sticky notes, 100 sheets. Oh, that's cute. I like that. Sticky notes. Oh, there's some more. Same. And this one is. Amy Lesko. So, cool. What is this? Triangle paper clips. Pack of 20 paper clips, and yes, they are triangles. Golden triangles of doom. We have a daily planner. Oh, that's cool. Oh, that's nice because it's not dated or anything. So you've got objectives, timetables, to-do lists, notes, urgent stuff, not urgent. Alright, so you've got a little graph, so you can have urgent, not urgent, important, not important. So you've got, it's urgent but it's not important. So you can prioritize, use that to help you prioritize. That's a good idea. I like that. So it's very basic. Nice fabric cover. There you go. A bit extra ASMR-ish stuff. Another to-do list. No point in giving me to-do lists because I to-don't them. I to-don't to do them. Another notebook. Nice hardback. Come in. What? No, there's no one there. I'm joking. There's not really anyone there. Ooh, this one's strawberry. Not strawberry flavoured though. That's good. Red pen. Cool. I do like me some stationery. I do like me some pen. Hey! Rainbow black pen. Yes, I do always do that whenever I try out a pen. Oh, this one says doing things. Want to be doing things? Want to be doing things? No. Yeah. Oh, nice purple one. Purple pins. These are pencils, just box standard pink. Not like a pencil, always handy to have a pencil. What we got here? It is what it is. Harness today. I think it would be very hard to put harness on a today. Anyway, one day at a time. Hey, take a break. Take it easy. Have a nice day. Be true to you. Harness today. I'm not sure about harness today as a mental image. Crisps. By Amy Lesko again. Look. A weekly planner. My week. Doodles. Notes to do. Wow. A little riffle. I love a little riffle. Is it? Don't wait for it to happen. Make it happen. Wow. Bossy. A little notebook. Notebooking. Quite like the coloury thing. Ooh, what's this one? Wow. Trippy. Another notebooky one. Ooh, what have I got looking at me there? Oh, now this is more my kind of thing. Plans for world domination. Plans for world domination. Any of you? This is also me, to be fair. Nope. Nope. The future is in your hand. Not true. The future is in my jeans. Hello, Lucky for oh dear. Hello. Oh, and look, more pen. Harness today. I'm not sure about harness today as a theme, as an idea. That's an orangey orange. And this is an orange. Try pen. Is that the same one as the one I saw already in there? Seems unlikely, but that's alright. Makes weird noises in effort. No, it's a different orange. So this. Oh, so that one's yellow in comparison. So this one's the yellow one. This is a. Oh, wrong way. Dragon. Yep. So that was quite a fun one. Let's do it. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lined notebooks, 1 big to-do listy thing, 1 daily planner, 1 hardback notebook, small, well, medium, with pretty things on it. We've got a to-do list and a notes to do today. Well, it's not really a to-do list. You don't have to. I mean, you could write a list of nice things on it that you don't have to do, like sit in the sunshine, eat some cheese. I don't know. Stickers, post-it type things, sticky notes. Sticky notes. Don't say post-it. They're not post-its. They're sticky notes. Riffle with both hands. Riffle with both hands. Some pens, which will go into the pen thing. You'd be very lucky if I ever do a giveaway where you get pens. Trust me on this, because I have a thing for pens. But you never know. You never know. Soon. One day I will do this. Washi tape, which is always handy. Useful. Nope. bit of paperclip goodness. Pens. Pen. Oh, actually, I suppose I could put this pen in because I already have one of these. I'll put this one in. That would be fair, wouldn't it? I'm able to keep it, but you can't keep it. You can't keep everything, George. It's against the rules. It's against the rules. You can't keep everything. So yeah, there's that. Hello, floppy. Pencils. And I'm going to close it up and look at the cool artwork by Gabby and McKenty. So, did you enjoy that, ladies and gentlemen? If so, please like and subscribe. If not, then please don't tell anyone you didn't like it and just, share it and say, what do you think of this? Anyway, enough of my wombling on. See you next time. Bye.